Okay, hello folks. I'm going to start in the front right here. I cut my plants down. If they don't grow back, I'll just put some new ones in. I got to put some wood chips down, some mulch. And got my bird feeder filled. I had a filled up this morning. It went down some. And the mailbox, I cleaned all that up. They'll grow back next year. And let's go run to the back. Okay, here we are in the back. I didn't water today. Today is Sunday, November 5th. Look like all these tomatoes here I'll be throwing out. They're done. They're frostbitten. Yeah, they had it. They're all done. See? Yep. Those are done. I'm going to try it different next year. Yep. Pepper plants. Well, this one here looks pretty good. This one little beetle pepper. I'm going to let that grow a little bit. I think I'm going to water yet later on. Had a lot of stuff to do today. See what we got down here. I think I might save that, see what happens with that. This one here. Oh, it got bugs in it. These bugs must survive the cold. The roly-polies. I'm going to try something else next year to get rid of them. I'm not for sure about that one. I was walking the dogs earlier. I noticed I had some jalapeno peppers somewhere hiding on me. Oh, this pepper had it. Get rid of that one. Ain't no good. There's one here. Gotta let it grow up. I saw a big one somewhere. Thought I did. Oh, down here. Oh, right here. Here we go. There you go. There's another one. These pepper will still be producing peppers, looks like. Okay. These zucchinis get a little bit bigger. I don't know if they'll make it before winter. Okay, what we got here? Pull that cherry tomato. I mean grape tomato. Pull that grape tomato. We got a lot of grape tomatoes. Oh, they're just the green one's just falling off the vines when I'm touching the vines. See? Oh well. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw them back up in here. They'll go to seeds. We'll have more grape tomatoes. That's all to it. That's how the cherry tomatoes started. They went to seeds. We have one in here I can't get. No, I got it. Yeah, it's warm out. Kind of, sort of, in this high 60s, I think. And supposed to be in the 70s the next few days. Fahrenheit. Mm-hmm. want to try to keep the beefsteak on as long as I can. My one pepper plant, jalapeno, was down in here. I think it's gone. Yeah, this is part of it right here. Oh, let's see. Okay, this pepper jalapeno was looking pretty good a few days ago after the frost. Somehow it's not making it. Got one off of it. So I guess I'm done with the jalapenos. Hasn't been that cold at night. It's been above freezing. I don't know what to think now. Okay. Pepperoncini. Got one there. That's it. This one here I'm going to throw out. Oh, wait a minute. What's that I got back here? Got something hiding back here. Where are you? Come on. Trying to pull away from me when I try to reach for it. Yeah. Yeah, tomatoes has it over there. If I can pick anything else, I'll do another video. If not, I won't. Let's see. This pepper looks bad. I'm one of those people that like those frozen Popeyes, and I put one of these peppers in it, and it was really awesome. I usually put Tabasco sauce on my Popeye. Well, I'll come out here and nitpick and see what I can get. I'll do better next year. Yeah. Okay. Let's run over to the strawberries. Okay, here we are at the strawberries. So what do we got here? Got one right there. Don't see any more in there. Don't really see nothing in there either. Well, that's what I got for you today, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep coming back. My gardening will be about through pretty soon, if not now. Haven't decided yet. Thanks for watching.